Got it all fixed? I'm gonna go up in your fort that Grandma built you. You gotta walk up there so hot lava doesn't get you, remember? Oh, there you go. Yeah. Where is it? Okay. Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. It didn't do it, did it? Better go get it. The walnuts? Yeah. He doesn't want one right now. It's okay. Come get your car. Come get your fire engine. Okay.